Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening your Google Maps JS project and confirming the map object exists on the page. Once done, set the initial zoom value and prepare any custom tiles or icons you'll swap during zoom transitions. Keep the browser dev console open and ensure your CSS and JS are editable so you can test changes live. You're not just changing numbers, you're preparing assets and hooks that the map code will use to create a smooth zoom effect. Next, implement the smooth zoom routine by replacing abrupt map. Set zoom calls with an animated interpolation using request animation frame or a tween library. You'll animate both zoom level and camera center when needed, and scale markers or overlays so they remain visually consistent. Make sure to throttle or debounce wheel and pinch events to prevent rapid-fire updates. This coordination is why you'll animate multiple properties together. Finally, test across devices and tune easing and duration so the effect feels responsive on both desktop and mobile. Make a fallback that immediately sets zoom when animations are too slow or the device cannot maintain smooth frames. If you encounter problems, profile rendering and frame rate. If FPS drops below 30, temporarily disable heavy overlays or reduce tile resolution. This ensures functionality and performance. Fix the cause, not just the symptom, so users get a reliable, polished zoom behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.